What's the difference between the MTU Series 2000 and the MTU Series 4000? Let's compare them in 90 seconds. The MTU Series 2000 is designed for smaller commercial vessels, patrol boats, ferries, and luxury yachts. It's known for excellent fuel efficiency, compact footprint, and lower maintenance costs. Its biggest advantages are lower operating costs, easier servicing, and excellent reliability for medium-power applications. The MTU Series 4000 is built for demanding applications including offshore vessels, tugboats, workboats, naval ships, and large yachts where maximum performance is required. Its strengths are outstanding power output, durability, and the ability to operate continuously under heavy loads. The Series 2000 is generally more economical to purchase and maintain, while the Series 4000 offers significantly more power but comes with higher operating and maintenance costs. Want more MTU maintenance tips and technical guides? Visit our marine engine blog at Alfa Marine Spare Parts.